Hi, Paula for Kalvi Oroville, continuing to share my experience with village children at Thamarai. So I just want to show you some of the patterns that children have finished. I'll show them one by one. And a different pattern with the different colors, the colors that they chose. And another one, they mounted their large pattern on a poster board so it's more solid, and their base cards are in here. So here is a clip of this girl that really, she made her puzzle, Kalvi puzzle, and another boy's puzzle. So I'm going to show you some clips of her making those 3 puzzles. So you see, she was totally immersed, totally focused. Some of them took her quite a long time to do, but she kept her focus on what she was doing. So I will continue to record videos sharing my experience in Thamarai. These kids with these big open hearts. I love working with them. Bye for now.